You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
What's up, guys? It's Kai and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show y'all my guide to my clear and glowy skin. What I like to do to just make my skin vibrant and glow, because I don't wear makeup during the week. I only wear makeup occasionally, sometimes on the weekends. So I'm going to show y'all what I do. Now, a lot of girls are scared to let y'all know that they be shaving. But girl, I got little straggly parts on my face, and I be able to get that off. So when I want my skin smooth and no dark spots, nothing on my face, I have to get rid of those dark parts that the little straggly ends leave when you are shaving, girl, because it'd be a mess. You know, we want to look like a man, so I take my shaving cream and I shave. Yes, I do. So yeah, now that my skin is now that I got the hair removed, I go in with this Glam Glow. Everything that I got for my skincare, literally, I promise y'all, I got from BoxyCharm. I take that Glam Glow facial wash. It's like a cleanser, and I use that. And I take about a little dime size and just put it in my hand and just rub it out in my face. I probably will rub my face with each of my products. I probably do it for about a minute or so, probably a little over a minute. Just go in really good with the product and just wash, 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 wash. But yeah, I just do that for about a minute or two just to get that product in really good, and then I'll just wash it off. And the same with this. This also came from BoxyCharm. This is a Clean Bee facial cleanser. Really good. I love this stuff. Yeah, I do the same thing with that. You got to wet your face a little bit just so you can get the product in. It's really good. I was trying to show y'all, but my camera wouldn't focus right here. But I was trying to show y'all how much I use. But it was about the same amount that I used when I showed you guys with that Glam Glow. So I do the same thing for about a minute or two and just let that product get in really good so it can really cleanse my skin. And then I get me a dry towel and I just pat my face dry. So you see now my skin is already starting to look clean and refreshed, but that's not it. I have to go in with more stuff. But I love the fact that that Glam Glow is really what has my skin like glowing. I love that Glam Glow. Y'all, I was lit. I was listening to my girl Megan Thee Stallion new album, Sugar, baby. Ooh. I was jamming. Now I go in with an exfoliant. This came in BoxyCharm as well. This is a face gommage, or whatever you want to call it. But this is just an exfoliating mask like cream, and I use that to just get rid of all of the dead cells off my face. Now my skin, because I haven't done my skincare routine in a while, my skin started getting dry, so I needed to do my skincare routine really bad. So that face gommage is perfect for that. Like if you feel like your pores are huge or your face feels dry and ashy and stuff, that face gommage will get all of those dead cells off your face, and your face will be feeling like a baby's bottom by the time you are done. So I just take that and I do the same. Now I probably do that face gommage about 3 minutes just to make sure I'm getting all of the dead cells off my face. It takes me about 3 minutes to let that work in. So yeah.
I dress to be a B-I-T-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm tripping anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. Just ain't gonna give it to you, right?
Yeah, I'll be jamming. But anyways, after I'm done with that, I get me a lukewarm towel and I just wipe that product off my face really good. So yeah, now that I'm done with all of the products that I have to wipe off my face, I'm going to show y'all what I use to all of the leave-in products that I leave on my face. So I'm going in with this antioxidant juice. This is a Capri, I think. it's called. I told you everything came from Boxy Charm. But I take that. I love this. I had one that I had gotten from TJ Maxx that I really loved, but when I got this in Boxy Charm, it replaced it. So this is an antioxidant dew, and it just leaves your skin like really, really moisturized and also glowy as well. So it gives you a bit of a glow as well. So I really do like this product too, because I just like my skin to look like I am glowing from within. It's just that natural glow. So all the products that I use just give me a natural glow because, girl, yeah, I like that. And one thing I do too, I do like to drink a lot of water, so remember that. But yeah, next I'm going in with an oil based product, and this is Elemis. This is a facial oil, and I think this has like collagen in it, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong, but I think it has collagen in it. So that collagen, it just helps you to stay youthful. So I like to use products also that just gonna keep me looking youthful. As the older I get, I don't want to start looking older. I don't mind getting older, but I don't want to start looking older. So a lot of the products that I use, I get to help me to just keep that youthful look, so I can just feel refreshed and beautiful. And you know, that's what my skincare is all about, just helping me to stay refreshed, beautiful, glowy, all of the above. So it was nighttime, so I'm going in with this Avant 24-hour recovering mask. I just put this on my face. I really honestly don't know what that product does, but I just had it and I said, let me just go on and use it to see what it's going to do. I think this is like my second time using this. So I really don't know what it does. I just saw that it was a recovering mask, and that's why I put that product on. So yeah, it's just something I added into my routine for the nighttime. So girl, I don't know, but yeah. And then I take this Dr. Brandt's Retinol Eye Cream. This is just to help you get rid of bags and dark spots around your eyes. That is perfect for that. I love this stuff because I have some terrible bags, and since I've been using this, I can see a bit of a difference with my eyes. So I love to use this product just to help me get rid of those, like, you know, when you have those long nights and you have to get up in those early mornings, that eye cream is perfect for that. That's why I love it. So yeah, I just take that and work that in for about a good 30 seconds or so. And yeah, that's basically it. The last thing I go in with is an exfoliating lip scrub for my lips, just to get the dead cells off my lips. And this too came from Boxy Charm, and I just take that, work that in my lips, girl, just to get the dead cells off my lips, so my lips can be plump and juicy and stuff when I get ready to do my makeup. Which I'm not gonna do no makeup, but if I were doing my makeup, I just have my lips plump and juicy. And that's basically my whole full skincare routine. Yeah, I do have a lot of steps, but I like clean, dry skin just to help me looking refreshed and beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.